Once you get the radiator where you want it, and you should get it in here and have it pretty much 90% where you want it at. And the way to do that is, like these pieces right here, is I can make a box on the outside of it here, and a box on the top, and a box on the side and the bottom, which will basically funnel the air through the front here, and that's the material I'm using. What are you doing, cat? But this stuff is so great because you can glue it together, you can cut it. It's stiff, it's hard, and you can make a box right here, and this is what I'm talking about, a box, so that when the air comes through the front windscreen, it doesn't go up here, it doesn't go down here or here. It goes as much as you can. It will go through this front screen and through the radiator. After it goes through the radiator, of course, it comes out these two holes right here. So when we're doing this, the best way to do it is like this. When you go to cut your hose and put them on there, you figure that's going to be the last thing you do. You can't have extra hose lying around, hanging out here, hanging out there, even though that's been a problem of mine all my life.